Okay, so we're going to kick off with these questions that you have all wonderfully sent in to us. Thank you very much for that. So here's one. Kylie, this is definitely one for you. Are sprouts full of vitamins and do they make you... Okay, Kylie wants me to say...
Gassy.
Make you gassy. Basically, I want to say, do they make you fart? Okay. Do they? Why do they?
Yes. So sprouts are very full of vitamins. They're a cruciferous veg, so if you do like them, definitely they're great to add to your diet.
Okay.
They are full of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, vitamin K, but lots of other vitamins as well, folate, that sort of thing. The reason they do make you a little gassy is that they're one of the reasons that they're so beneficial for health is that they've got loads and loads of fibre in them. But what can happen with fibre, especially if you're not used to eating it very often, is it can indeed make you a bit gassy. So if you're having a very large increase in fibre, you might notice a very large increase in gas.
But fibre's good for us, right?
Fibre is fantastic. Most of us aren't eating enough of it anyway. The normal UK adult will eat about 18 grams of fibre. You sort of need to be more around 30. In a perfect world, up to about 50. So if you can eat some sprouts, it goes a long way towards your fibre.
Okay, so how do we make sprouts more interesting? Because boiled sprouts really are quite disgusting.
No, and to
why
be honest,
do we eat them anyway?
I've never really been a fan of sprouts, but until I discovered a few years ago, slicing up them really thinly, stir-frying them, maybe a little bit of garlic or lemon in them. Definitely, for me, it's all about stir-frying a little bit of olive oil or something, not boiling.
Okay, right, so don't boil your sprouts, basically. And also because that takes away the nutrient content as well, doesn't it?
To a point.
Yeah, so cook them quickly. Now, I actually do make a smoothie with sprouts. And I've even done a video for that. So if you go through on our YouTube channel and look at the Hello Fit series, on there is me, I make a Brussels sprout smoothie. And this is the honest God truth. And it does taste all right because I put lots of other things in there. So that's a really good way to use up your leftover sprouts. And they're all looking at me. Right, you have to try it now. Seriously, it does work. So yes, they're full of vitamins. Yes, they can be tasty, although you're not a big fan. I love sprouts, and I think you can make them really tasty.
Yeah.
I think you just got to cook them in more interesting ways. But there are alternatives as well, aren't they? What could we have instead of sprouts?
So it's all about variety really, but sprouts come from the sort of cruciferous veg category of vegetables. So if you want to sort of replicate the benefits of sprouts, you've got broccoli, you've got cauliflower, all of those sort of dark leafy green vegetables will give you the same benefits. But the more variety, so ideally sprouts, cauliflower, everything. But if you really don't like sprouts, that's fine. There are many other ways of getting your vitamins too.
Okay, cool, good.